Look at this here right here. This is a nice vet, goddamn. Don't tell me if y'all like it, goddamn, with the Twinkies on it. Feel me? Just trying to bring something new to y'all, I'm saying, this morning. I like this, right? This is a player's ride right here. You understand? Corvette with a convertible. You'll probably see one when it's nice and clean, though, you understand? Nice and clean. I like with these wheels on it. You know? But, yeah, I'll start off taking, you know, check out some slick shit. You feel me? I like that. Like a 5-liter LT1 on this motherfucker. Look. That's a nice motherfucker right there, boy. That's when you know it's nice. 5-liter LT1. All right, y'all. I'm out, goddamn. E.double in trouble, show. Like and subscribe. All right, later.